Alright guys, today I'm gonna show you how to fix Google camera in front facing camera in portrait mode in the Oneplus 5 at 5T, which my method is dynamic change the library, which can help you to using the face unlock after you using G camera. First you need to download my file. You download my file in the thread. It's called GCam by aillez with 2, and extract it to the root of your SD card. Right. Okay. So you will see my folder and folder under that. We will use this to script, and you need to download application from Play Store, which called S Manager. After you download, you open it. This method still requires root, so for the first time when you launch the S Manager, it will ask you for the root permission. Just allow it, and browsing to my folder and script, and search for the 01 and open as a script, and select these two options, save, exit. Do it for the 02. Save, exit. Okay. After you done this, you can add a shortcut to your home screen or your gesture app, whatever. Okay. Browsing for the S Manager S. Okay. And select the 01. And another one is 02. Okay. Let's decide. Alright. Before we launch this shortcut, I will show you that right now face unlock still working, and Google camera cannot shoot in the front facing camera in portrait mode. Okay. Alright, I'm still using my front facing camera to face unlock mine, and try the Google camera. As you can see, it never show back screen because it can't connect to the camera. So when you need to use the Google camera, just hit the 01 fixing GCam binary. After it show access code 0 and show in the notification, you can using the Google camera. Let me cue it. Alright. As you can see, and I can take a picture of my picture. Yeah. And right now we can use the front face, the face unlock, because binary is still in the GCam. It's for GCam. So let's revert it to the default binary. Alright, after it show you the notification that revert binary is 0 code, you can use the face unlock again. Alright, I will show it to my face, and boom, it's working. Alright, I hope this mod will help you guys to using the face unlock and GCam in the same time. Thank you. Bye bye.